Import blank paper photo to PicsArt. Add your photo. Crop. Remove background. Then go to Effects. Select Noise. Decrease amount to 15. Click Merge In. Go to Artistic section and select All Painting. Decrease amount. Merge In. Go to Magic section. Select Sketchy. Increase Fade. Select Soft Light. Now adjust accordingly. Slightly increase brightness and contrast. Decrease saturation. Increase shadows. Click Erase option. Erase bottom part of photo. Then decrease opacity and hardness and erase accordingly. Now go to Text to add your watermark. Select Font. Make it black. Decrease its height. Decrease opacity. Click OK. Then go to Effects. Select Noise. Increase Fade. And that's all, your photo is ready to export. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.